Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Mix It Up to VTube Studio. First, you will need to enable the VTube Studio API within your VTube Studio application settings. Next, navigate to the Services menu in Mix It Up and establish the connection. Finally, you can begin using VTube Studio actions directly within your Mix It Up commands to control your avatar. To begin, launch VTube Studio and access its settings, typically found as a cogwheel icon. Within the settings, look for the section labeled VTube Studio API or Plugins. Here, you must enable the Start API option. This crucial step allows Mix It Up to communicate with VTube Studio. Also, confirm the default port, which is usually 8001. Now, open Mix It Up and access its main menu, usually represented by a hamburger icon. From the menu, select Services. Scroll through the list until you find the VTube Studio section and click the Connect button. A pop-up will then appear in VTube Studio asking for your approval. Simply click Allow to finalize the connection between the two applications. With the connection established, you can now create powerful interactions. In Mix It Up, either create a new command or modify an existing one. When adding an action, select VTube Studio Action. You can then choose from various options, such as Run Hotkey to trigger predefined VTube Studio hotkeys, Load Model to swap avatars, or Move Model for dynamic positioning. Remember to specify the exact hotkey name or model for your desired effect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.